Hi, let me show you how to add screen lock passcode on iPhone. As a first step, open your phone settings and scroll down to find Face ID and Passcode section. Now we need to scroll down again and find this blue option Turn Passcode On. By clicking it, we can create new passcode. For example, by default, you'll see here 6-digit numeric code, but we can switch it to something else. And for that, click Passcode Options right here. And now you can choose custom one, 6-digit, 4-digit, or with letters. So let's pick 4-digit and create a passcode. For this video, I'm just going to use all zeros, tap to use anyway, and then verify by entering this passcode again. Now you need to wait a few seconds and confirm by entering your Apple account's password. So I'm just going to do it quickly behind the scenes and then tap here to sign in. And all is left is to wait a few seconds again and your passcode should be turned on. So let's check, and yep, now we can lock the phone and unlock with the help of our passcode. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.